30 years in the professional salon industry, working for two major beauty companies such as L'Oreal Professional and Paul Mitchell. I've worked with dozens and dozens of products throughout my career. And as my brand, TheSalonGuy, progressed, I started to look for something that was going to do a variety of things in one spray. Think of it as a utility spray. Now, 25 spray was born from my desire for having all of that in one bottle. And I must say, this has exceeded my expectations from a performance standpoint, from a quality standpoint, and 25 spray is my second best selling product. Why is this so unique? And I'm going to take you on a journey of why I actually needed a product like this and why I think it's going to be beneficial to you as a consumer who's purchasing products. Well, think of a multivitamin. You're taking a multivitamin with an intention to keep your body healthy because of the ingredients, the nutrients, all the things that are in that multivitamin that are going to be good for you. It's the same thing with this particular product, 25 spray. I wanted this to be pretty much an all-in-one spray with 25 benefits. This product alone contains collagen, keratin, biotin, and a variety of other really incredible extracts. This product is loaded with ingredients that are going to be conditioning for your hair. It's going to transform your hair, especially if you have dry, brittle, lifeless hair. This is a unisex product. Anyone with hair, any human being with hair can utilize this product. Where are you going to see the biggest difference? And that's what's so exciting about this product. Within the first use, you are going to see your hair literally transform. I've seen this on people firsthand, whether I've gifted it to somebody, they've purchased it, I've watched them use it and blow dry their hair or style their hair. However they're using this product, for the first time, I can see a difference. I can see the results. And what happens? What do they end up saying? That 25 spray, oh my gosh, that stuff is incredible. It's that, and this becomes kind of like a cult product because you can't live without it. How is this product ideally used? And my approach as a licensed hair professional is the way I structure my styling routine, whether it's on clients or if I'm doing models or mannequins or my tutorials, I'm always systematically thinking about what needs to be done for the hairstyle itself. How am I prepping the hair? What is my multivitamin? What is my go-to foundational spray that I'm using every single time? And that's how you have to look at 25 spray. 25 spray essentially is your go-to spray whenever you are done washing your hair. You get out of the shower, you blot your hair dry, get all the excess moisture out, and then this should be the first thing that you are spraying on your hair. Because it's a thicker liquid, you want to make sure that you are pressing down firmly on the nozzle because you want to make sure it's going to be spraying in a more of a mist type of fashion. If you just lightly spray, it's going to be like a rocket shooting out, like a laser beam. Make sure you are pressing down firmly on the spray nozzle. All you need is probably, and depending on your hair length, your density, you probably need anywhere from 4 to 7 sprays, sometimes 10, depending on, again, how long your hair is and how thick your hair is. Once you spray 25 spray in your hair, then you can take a brush. I have an amazing anti-static vent brush. It's my go-to brush. And then start brushing out the hair. Make sure you are brushing your hair the right way, holding your scalp, the hair at the scalp, and starting on the ends, and you will see the tangles just come out within seconds. That is what makes us so unique, is that if you have somebody in the household, whether it's, a daughter, someone that, she's got really long hair, you have a son who's got really long hair, it knots up very easily, and you spend 25 minutes just trying to get through those knots, they're in pain. Ow, that hurts, that hurt. You just got to basically get through all that, and you feel like you're torturing your child. That's where 25 spray comes in because of the detangling properties. 25 benefits in this one bottle. One that I like, and I think a lot of people who get their hair colored are going to like, is it helps extend the life of your color. It also helps prevent flyaways and frizz. It adds a light texture to your hair. It provides volume. It smooths out your hair. It adds moisture to your hair. It kind of conditions your hair in a way from taking it where it's really dry and damaged and lifeless looking. And because of all the incredible ingredients, that's where you're seeing the transformation happen right before your eyes the first time you use this. And in my experience, after having this product for so many years, it's my confidence. As a professional, I'm so confident that I have a go-to product, knowing that I can spray this on a client's hair, a model's hair, and this product has my back. I'm going to get through those knots. It's going to keep the hair nice and moisturized while I'm cutting. So I wanted something that really was going to be remarkable for someone's hair, transformative, something you can see results very, very quickly. And that is what goes into a professionally driven brand like myself, the Salon Guy. All of my products are designed and created with me as a stylist in mind of how I would use this. Does that make it extremely user-friendly? Sometimes yes, and sometimes no, because with a lot of products out there made by non-hair professionals, and there's a huge amount of products like that you're buying a product from them, meanwhile you give them a pair of scissors and a comb and they have no idea what to do with it. You're trusting them to buy products from. Meanwhile, you've got myself, who literally is the Salon Guy. Thousands of tutorials and hair tips and things you can watch and get tons of value from on social media. That's who you're getting when it comes to my hair products and my brand. So I can assure you that what goes into this and what goes into all my products is that passion, that experience, and that trust value. And if there ever is any sort of question or problem, you have me as support. You're not being outsourced. You're not, talking to some bot or whatever it is. You're going to be able to end up at some point communicate with me so I can give you the proper advice on how to use this, or troubleshoot, or make suggestions. So that also is what's behind my branding and my level of service, is you have me, someone who's very passionate about people and what I do. So 25 spray really is a remarkable product. And I invite you to explore not only this product, but the range of products that I have. You can visit us on my online store. It's available here in all of the stores that I have here connected to my accounts. I really think you're going to love this spray. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you've gotten this, and don't forget to leave a review. I'll see you soon.